let's create my simplest but most effective makeup look to date. We're starting with a white base, just to get that all covered. I'm leaving my eyes blank for now though, so that I can go in later. I find if I do my eyelids too early, because they're so damn oily, the product separates and it just doesn't look good. So I'm going to leave them. On a flapped brush, I'm going to take some of my black face paint and just fill in my brows a little bit. Very much trust the process. I don't usually fill my brows in, let alone with literal black face paint, so I had to be very careful. Moving on to adding in the shadows now, which I wanted this to look like a sketchbook, so white face paint and then go in with some black cross hatching. I had to approach this as though I can draw. Don't show the face paint any fear and it works with you. I find that's true for any makeup that you're trying. So whether you're doing the most simplistic clean girl makeup or up to the more creative face painting, if you don't show fear, it will work with you. Feign that confidence and your makeup it'll work. So like I say, we're adding in the cross hatchings anywhere that, well, normally that I do contour actually. At the moment, keeping it very natural looking, just doing the same placements as I would for my contour where the natural shadows would lie. My technique for the cross hatching is going in with a messy base, just sort of getting in some general lines and pencil strokes down, and then with a little bit of a heavier load of the black face paint, going back in and adding some more deliberate actual crosses and darkening up so that I've got a grayer underneath and then the sharp cross hatching on top. I hope that makes some sort of sense. But anyway, moving on, I thought this isn't looking enough. So I turned off one of my lights so that I could see exactly where the shadows went and I could build up my sketchbook face. I kept lips super simple, just a black outline filled in with white, but I did make the outline a little bit messier than I normally would. Then I wanted some highlight, but I couldn't use a highlighter powder, so I thought, why not just load up a massive paint stroke of white and do like a stripe so it looks like, I don't know, the paint stroke. It's not really in line with the sketchbook of it all, but I think it does add something. I like a little highlight. Finishing touches, I popped some white into my waterline and now I'm painting the brown out of my hair because I didn't like how the brown looks. I need to re-dye my hair, I just haven't had the energy to. That's the hand palette, not as colourful as it usually is. If you're still here, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.